Aloha folks. Hopefully that you are safe and healthy right now. This is basically a video to explain what will happen in the next few weeks when we move from um, physical classroom towards distance learning, a virtual classroom, and how I plan to run geometry and how you would learn at home. First of all, you should be familiar with my email address and all that stuff. But there's a new thing that some students suggest that it was really useful for them in Avid, which is the Remind. So Remind, I set it up for geometry as well. The adding code is right here, so if you could add, that would be um, nice. Basically what it allows you to do is, it's like a text, but you're texting without exposing your own phone number. That way you can keep some privacy, but also get instant feedback or instant question answered. You can choose to message the whole class to see if someone has answers to your question, or you can message me. Of course, you can always email me. That's also always an option. So this is the part that I already sent you through email, but if you haven't really read it, that's fine. So basically, this video is going to explain that. The first thing is that there's a YouTube channel that you should go to see. This is basically my channel. I'll put all my stuff there. When you click on it, the link, there's nothing here right now because I'm making this video. This is going to be the first video. Alright. Please log in using your student account because it shows your name. That way when I'm taking attendance through chat, it's a lot easier and I know who's talking to me. Okay. I'll go into detail about attendance and chat in a bit. So I'm going to run the lesson mostly through live stream. Sometimes I'll do kind of like a recording video like this too, but most times it's gonna be live stream. And you know, YouTube live stream, all the videos can be automatically uploaded after it's recorded. So you know, it's very convenient that way. So if you happen to want to go back and look at some of our lectures, you have that option. So during the live stream, I'll have a time where so in the live stream, it would be basically notes. All these notes and documents I kind of already mentioned in class, but I'm gonna put it on School Loop, which if you look at in your locker, there's a note guide section, and under these folders you will see whichever documents you want to see, and you can download that. So there are two type of documents. They're the same thing. One's PDF, one is doc. Just in case the doc is not good in terms of the formatting, then the PDF is more stable. But you can obviously use either one. Okay. So for attendance, during the live stream, some random time within the live stream I'll call for attendance. Could be in the beginning, could be the end, could be in the middle. When I say attendance time, everyone would just reply on the chat to receive attendance. So once you've done that, then I'll mark you present. If you happen to miss live session, then because this is a weekly kind of class, if you've seen the guideline for our learning schedule, we pretty much only have class once a week. So if you happen to miss one, then I still need to check in with you. So what you do is instead you go under a video. There's no video here, but under the video there's a place where you can write your comments. Basically you just summarize. So you watch the video because it's going to be archived. So you watch the video and then you leave me a comment basically about the summary of the lesson, so I know you watched it, and something that I said that you will only know if you watch a video. You know, I say that kind of stuff a lot, so it shouldn't be hard to catch one. But just something to keep you on track, and some ways for us to keep attendance. Homework is basically also through School Loop. If you look at your School Loop on the calendar, there should be a current assignment I already assigned, which if you click on it, then you will see what is due. I will also announce this part. Basically, it's going to be everything that we're doing in the live stream plus the homework. This part usually is going to be announced during the live stream, but I'll also post on School Loop, so just in case you forgot. There's no graded assessment planned so far during this time period because I haven't figured out a fair way to grade assessment when I'm not present with you guys. So there's that. Virtual office hours is basically a time where every day 11 to 12 I will stream live and you can ask questions, you can talk with me. If you're bored, we can talk about stuff that you felt was interesting, or if there's something you want to talk about, that's fine too. You can also, of course, bring your questions to our normal class. That way we can also talk about whatever you want to answer. And obviously, you can also communicate with me through email or Remind. Yeah, I think that pretty much covers everything. And if you have questions, again, email Remind. So what you should do now is you should log in to your email from your school, our school, subscribe my YouTube channel, which is right here, because that way, you know, it's easy to get to. And then also, you should join Remind. There's an app on the phone for Remind, so you can just do that, and that should be good to go. Alright, hopefully that explains everything. Goodbye. See you online.